This video is about how to get yourself free data on MTN. So today I've decided to give you the 4 ways through which you can grab yourself free data on MTN. So what are these ways through which someone can grab him or herself free data on MTN? First of all, number one through which you can grab yourself free data, you can go onto the Play Store and download yourself these 3 apps. App number 1, we do have the MTN Momo app. App number 2, we have the MTN Pulse, and app number 3, we have the My MTN app. So on each of these apps, if you download it, you're gonna grab yourself 500 MBs. After downloading and registering onto these particular apps, you'll be able to grab yourself 500 MBs. And on these particular apps, you can invite your friends, everybody you have their contact. You can invite them so that they can download these particular apps. For each person that you invite to download each of these apps, you're gonna earn yourself 200 MBs. 200 MBs for each person who you recommend to download these particular apps. You'll be able to grab yourself 200 MBs for each person. Just imagine having around let's say 10 to 5 people. You'll be just getting yourself free data. Way number 2 is going to the MTN store or MTN server center and grab yourself a new MTN SIM card. With this, you will, for the first 3 months, you'll be able to earn yourself 100% bonus for every data you buy. So for those of you who do work on internet, you can buy those bigger bundles, let's say the monthly bundles, or go for the chillax bundles, whereby if you buy those freedom bundles, you can go and buy yourself those freedom bundles that cost around, for 40 GB is equivalent to, it costs 100,000. So you can, for every 100,000 you buy of data, you get 100,000 worth of data more. So you get 100% bonus onto whichever data you buy for 3 months. So those of you who wanna get free data, that's the way number 2. So way number 3 depends on the type of data you buy and at which particular time. So let me show you the different data bundle types that do favor anyone who wanna get extra data. So according to this, let's go to the my MTN app. I want to show you the different data bundles and how much they cost. As I told you, I'm gonna show you the data types that are on MTN. So let's go into the process. When you go to the daily bundles, the normal data bundles, for 2,000 you can grab yourself 400 MBs. But if you go to these different data categories, you can earn yourself more data. let's say for the Gaga time. Let's tap on the Gaga time. With the Gaga time at 2,000 shillings of Ugandan money, you can grab yourself 2 MBs running from 12 a.m. to 10 a.m. So with this, you get extra free data. So you can go for the Gaga time and earn yourself extra free data, because this is really free data, but it runs, most of its time runs through the midnight. Then also, but today is not a Wednesday, we also have a Gaga Wednesday, of which that you get 5.5 GBs on 7,000 shillings. Then we also have the work from home. This really also favors people who do heavy work onto the internet during daytime. It really favors them very well. This one, like it begins on it begins around 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So it really favors those people who work and do heavy work on the internet during daytime, and the time is really favoring. Yeah, this is what they call work from home bundle. Then what else? The way number 4 is what they call the thank you points. So if you subscribe to the thank you points, you're gonna get yourself free data. You can get yourself free data once you subscribe to the MTN points. Now you see, for me right now I'm having 22 points, and on whichever transaction I make, I'll be getting more and more points onto my, but right now I'm having only 22 points. So that's it. I'm having only 22 points. So you can earn yourself MBs. Right now I'm having a 22 only. But if you go do more, those people who do heavy transactions, whenever you do a transaction, maybe pay money to any organization or to pay some bills via the MTN, so you'll be able to grab yourself thank you points, and on these thank you points you'll be able to grab yourself MBs. How do you subscribe to the MTN, the thank you points of MTN? The process is not really tough. It's not a tough process. Let's go into it and we get to know. You go onto your speed dial of your phone and just dial *141#. Then tap on the dial button, go for the MTN. So over here, for me, I already subscribed, but for you'll be having accept. You then go for option 1 and you'll be able to join the MTN sent you. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you can subscribe, because that's the real thing. Thank you for watching my video.